Hi, we're team number 6, composed by Dani Velasco, Karina Romo, and Daniel Sanchez, and we're going to present the first partial project about integral calculus by Carlos Domensain. And for this project, we're going to be using implicit differentiation, related rates of change, and Teorema de Pythagoras. So implicit differentiation is a process used to find the derivative of the dependent variable in an implicit function, differentiating each term separately, expressing the derivative of the dependent variable with a symbol, and solving the remaining expression for the symbol. And for related rates of change are problems in which some things are changing at certain rates and they are related. In these problems, we should already know one of the rates of change at an instant, and we calculate the other one at the same instant.
First of all, we sketched our problem and we wrote the data we already knew, which was 3 kilometers and 8 kilometers. And we understood that we needed to get dh over dt, and to do that we needed to find the value of h by using Pythagoras theorem. And at the end we got that the answer was 8.66 kilometers. Then we derivate the formula and multiply each of the terms by its change. And we substituted the values. Then we isolated the dh over dt, and the final answer that we got was 311.77 kilometers over hours.
Now, our flowchart. The first step was to read and understand our problem. The second step was identify the values we need to find in order to get dh over dt. Then, find h using Pythagoras theorem. The fourth step was get the derivative of the formula in which you multiply each value by its change. The fifth step, substitute values with the known data. Then, isolate dh over dt. And the seventh step was find the answer. Now the conclusion. In this partial project, we could understand how related rates, differentiation, and differentials are useful in real life. There are infinite situations where we can apply the acquired knowledge, and any other way to obtain it will be too complicated. Some examples in which you have to relate two or more quantities to obtain another one is cars going in different directions with different speeds, a ladder leaning against the wall, sliding on the floor. Basically, these are daily problems we could face. This made us realize knowing this could be very useful.